Hello guys, welcome back. I'm Mr. Machete, your ECD facilitator. I want us to proceed from where we have ended last in our skill program 4. So today I want us to focus on 3 activities that are going to be from SOP 4, session 2. If you can check, we have got session 2, activity number 1. We have got session 2, activity number 2. Then we're going to move to session 3. Then we're going to have activity number 1. So we'll proceed with other activities once we are done with this one. So let's start from session 2, activity number 1. It says that describe the importance of using information in the work situation. Discuss the importance of using information in the work situation. If you can check there, it says that people use information for many reasons. People use information for many reasons. And then here are some. So in other words, all these that we are going to deal with today, it's not all the reasons that people use information for. That's why you hear your book says, here are some. This is just the some of the reasons why people use information. So if you can check from your book, you will see that we have got about 7 reasons that they gave us. So, but I want us to just check these 5. I want us to check these 5. Number 1, it says that people use information to widen their knowledge. So they check information, after that then it widens what? Their knowledge. Whatever that they know, it becomes an addition to their knowledge. Then the other one, it says to develop skills. Mind you, each and every person have got their own skills, or they've got what we call the skills. So those skills, they need to be developed. When we speak of developing, we just mean to make up those skills. When you're perfecting them, then that's where we say that automatically like you are developing them, or to develop the skills. Then the other one, it says that to reduce uncertainty. So with this one, like those things that automatically they are not certain, then we are going automatically like to reduce that, because now we have got what we call the knowledge. Then the knowledge, like it's widened up. Then we know what is right, what is wrong, what is true, what is not true. Then the other one, it says to deepen understanding. So when you need your understanding or when you understand something deeper, we call it automatically to deepen the understanding. So you need information for you to deepen your understanding. And the other one, it says that to solve problems. Then you need information so that when you come across a problem, you may be able like automatically to solve it. So these are the 5 reasons that I've automatically mentioned, because I want you guys to add them in your activities. Then let's check activity number 2. It says that describe each of the following. Describe each of the following. In other words, what they want us to do here is for us to give the definition of these things. What is there that it's meaning, these things mean to us? What is there that comes to our mind when we see the word question, planning, gathering, sorting and shifting, and evaluation? So I'm going to explain this with my own knowledge. Then I expect you guys to go to your books and find the description from there. The books, according to the way our books explain this to us. Then with the question, guys, it's when automatically you are asking a question, or it's just a question that you know when someone asks you, or you are asking a question, someone a question. Then we have got planning. Then planning automatically, it's when you want to do something, or you have to do something, then you start to sit down and you plan on how you are going to do that thing. Then we have got what we call gathering. So gathering, as far as we were speaking of the information, I can say it's when you collect the information, then you put it together so that you can use it. Then we have got what we call sorting and shifting. With this one, automatically, like in information that you have collected, it's not everything or anything that you can use. Then when you start to pick up the points from it, then we are saying like automatically you are doing what we call the sorting. Then we've got what we call evaluation. Then in your evaluation, like you evaluate all the information that you got, that whether it's biased or not. So let's check session 3 activity number 1. It says that evaluate text for academic purposes. Evaluate text for academic purposes. Then we have got number 1, of which it says that pre-reading selection strategies. Then in pre-reading selection strategies, we have got point 8, of which it says that what you bring to the printed page. What's there that is in the printed page, or what's there that you alter into the printed page. Then we have got number 2. In number 2, it says that strategies to activate your prior knowledge. Then in it, you have got 5 points. Point number 1, it says that you need what we call the group discussion. Point number 2, concept or mind mapping. When you start to sit down now and say, okay, with the information that I want, maybe it's about what? The world. Like, for example, then you start to say, okay, what is the world? What is the world? Then you can have another point, okay, how many countries or continents in the world? Like this is sort of what we call the mind mapping one. So it says that automatically you must have the concept or mind mapping of whatever that you are doing. Then after that, then we have got this other one of the pre-questions. With the pre-questions, like it's the same as the estimation one. Like automatically you can do the pre-question, like to ask that at the end of this thing, what's it that I'm going to achieve? Or at the end of this thing, what's that I want to see myself acquired? Or what's it that I want to see my understanding being deepened in it? Then that's the pre-questions. Then we have got the visual aid. Then we have got advanced organizer. Then in advanced organizers, like you know that each and every time when you need to do something, like you have to sit down and organize and check on how you have to do it, so that at the end, anything that you want to do, then it comes out being perfect. Then that's the advanced organizer. You need to do it, or you need to add it as a strategy of activating your prior knowledge. Then we've got additional reading strategy. Additional reading strategy. Then in additional reading strategies, we're going to be focusing on 6 points, of which point number 1 or A, it says that the overviews. What are your overviews? Then you have to look at that as a strategy. The other one, it says the vocabulary previews. Then number C, we have got what? The structure organizers. Then number D, we have got what we call a purpose of reading. Then number E, we have got author consideration. Then the last one is text mapping. All of these strategies, guys, they are the strategies that you need to use when you are evaluating the text for academic purposes. Thank you very much, guys. Let's meet on our next clip. Please make sure that you refer to your notes. Make sure that you check your notes and automatically like compare them with whatever that I have written here, so that at the end we have got the correct or the perfect work. Thank you for watching this video.